Good morning. I'm Jill Hawkins, the founder of the FAM177A1 Research Fund and mom to Charlotte and Cooper, who have FAM177A1 disorder. Thank you for coming to the inaugural FAM177A1 Family and Research Roundtable. I'm thrilled you're here and honored that you've chosen to spend this time focusing on FAM, especially on a Saturday. Our gene name is quite the alphabet soup, so going forward, I might refer to it simply as FAM, and you can too. I hope you had a chance to view the short film about our family story. If not, you can find it on our website. I'm not showing it today to preserve time, and because although we only made it a year ago, it's already outdated because of the exciting progress that we've made. Today, we are going to see and hear from a couple of other families, learn from researchers who are working on FAM, and hear from others who are helping us make an impact on this disorder. Next slide. Actually, next slide. Some other families, and next slide. We will get to some of this stuff later in the program. Next slide. Our goal today is to foster a robust and collaborative, patient-focused research community. We will take an inventory of what we know about FAM and then identify knowledge gaps in order to prioritize our future initiatives. Next slide. Flourish. Grow or develop in a healthy and vigorous way, especially as the result of a particularly favorable environment. This is what we dream of for our children: health and vigorous development. With your help, we will cultivate that particularly favorable environment that's collaborative and family-focused, and all FAM patients in the future will flourish. Later, we'll share some of our family and focus initiatives as well. So, a few housekeeping items. We want this to be personal and interactive. Please turn your cameras on and engage. We have a diverse audience with a wide range of knowledge. We're going to cover complicated science, and nobody here understands everything, and some of us may understand very little. Wherever you're starting from is a perfectly fine place. Ask questions, and if we can't answer them today, we'll get back to you. Put questions in the chat, and we will discuss them after each session. And in the end, we'll have a longer brainstorming session. If you can, rename yourself with your affiliation to FAM, whether you're a family member, a friend, what institute, your specialty. I see some of my other rare friends on here, which is awesome. Please mute yourself if you're not speaking. Some talks might contain unpublished data and therefore are confidential, so they will not be recorded, but all other portions will be recorded and available for viewing later. In the interest of time, we will not be taking formal breaks, but feel free to do so as you need. Now I'd like to introduce my co-moderator, Ethan Pearlstein. Ethan is the CEO of Perlara, a public benefit company. He's my lead scientific advisor and is partnering with us to develop treatments and a cure for FAM disorder. Ethan's a Harvard and Princeton trained scientist and biotech founder. He understands the challenges ultra-rare disease groups like ours face, and I'm grateful to have him guiding us. Ethan's now going to facilitate a round of brief introductions. For this, we'll have the parents of the patients, and our presenters and any other researchers or clinicians or industry folks that are on the call answer one quick question and tell a little bit about yourself. So next slide, please. So here's your task. Tell us your name, where you're from, and your affiliation. And parents, finish the statement, "Today I hope to learn more about." And the others, "My work matters to your family because." So I'll go first. Like I said, I'm Jill Hawkins. I'm in Seattle. I'm a parent, and today I hope to learn more about possibly some commonalities that our disease might have with some other diseases, so that we can make some more rare collaborations. Ethan, you want to take it from here?
I'll go next. And so I'm Ethan Perlstein. Hey, everybody. Nice to see some familiar faces. Great to see everyone new here. And thanks again for making time on a Saturday morning. I'm based in Oakland, California. Jill already kind of did my intro. And yeah, my work matters to your family because this is kind of what I do day in, day out, help guide communities, especially ultra rare, on their path, on their cure odyssey. So let's start with parents. Who would like to go first?
I'll go. Hi, my name is Jeff Haddad. I'm a father of two daughters with FAM, 16 and 14 years old. I'm located in Southern California, about halfway between San Diego and Los Angeles. Today, I'd like to learn more about, nothing would make me happier than learning about some sort of treatment or some sort of therapy to care for my daughters.
Thanks, Jeff. Who's next?
I'll go.
Oh, sorry.
Go ahead. I'll let you go.
Okay, thank you. My name is Janet Vasquez. I am from Alamo, Texas, and I do have two girls, Bella and Emma. Today, I really hope to learn just more about the progress that's been done with the research. Even though I am a family member, I still don't know much. So that's what I look forward to. Thank you.
Great, Doug.
And my name is Doug Hawkins. I am a FAM dad to Charlotte and Cooper, and the husband of Jill, who's pulled all of this together. And what I'm hoping to learn is just be a sponge with all these smart, gracious people with your time, and all your efforts to try to find treatments and to help improve the lives of our kiddos.
Great. And do we have any other parents on the call or family members, other extended? Okay, great. Do we want to shift over now to maybe some of our FAM researchers?
Yeah, maybe just go top to bottom, just call on people, please.
Yeah, let's see. On my screen, maybe Barak, would you like to begin?
Yeah, sure. Hi, I'm Barak. I'm in New Haven and I work at Yale University. And I think my work matters to your family because it's very science savvy, but I'm looking into the cellular role of FAM177A1, trying to understand what it does, what its function. So yeah. And really happy to be here. Thanks for organizing, Joe.
All right, let's go to Matthew Fuller.
Hi, I'm Matt Fuller. I work for Ultragenyx Pharmaceutical. My work matters to your family because I work with Ultragenyx to develop gene therapies for rare disorders. We also have other modalities to treat rare disorders as well.
Great. Jennifer, you're next on my screen.
Excellent. Hi, everyone. My name is Jennifer Kohler. I am a genetic counselor at Stanford and specifically with the Stanford UDN team. And my work matters to your family, particularly right now, I think, because we're really working to try to get the word out, if you will, so that we can help with identifying additional people and families affected by FAM and try to get a greater foundation of knowledge and understanding so that we can hopefully support treatment and therapy.
Next up, Michelle.
Hi, I'm Michelle Bice, and I live in the Seattle, Washington area. I currently work for a small rare disease bio startup, Alpareo, and my work matters to your family because what we're doing in the biopharma research space is really looking at ways to sometimes repurpose drugs and really look at where some of your rare genetic disorders fit into what we're doing. And the research is so vital to keeping this going with companies like mine and with families like yours. Thank you.
Great. Liliana.
Good morning, everybody. Lila Tonica Krezel, located in St. Louis. at Washington University School of Medicine. I, along with quite a number of people on this call, represent Model Organism Screening Center of Undiagnosed Diseases Network. This is how we met FAM and the wonderful FAM family. Our work matters because we have created a zebrafish model of FAM, and we will tell you how we are using this model to learn more about this protein and gene in collaboration with Barak and others. Thank you.
Thank you. Alvin.
Hello. As Lila just mentioned, I'm part of the Sonata Presa Lab as a postbachelor researcher. And the importance of our work is that, as Lila had mentioned before, we're using zebrafish to understand how FAM is impacting the development. It's the early development.
Great. Jim.
Morning, everybody. Thanks so much to the Hawkins for putting this together. I'm a pediatric epilepsy specialist. I have the privilege of taking care of Cooper. And I think my work is important because epilepsy can be really a debilitating aspect of life for some of these children. I wish that I had better tools, and I'm excited to hear about what might be forthcoming.
Okay, Anjay.
Hi, everybody. My name is Andrzej Krezel. I collaborate with Lila Soinca-Krezel. I'm a protein scientist, and I particularly look at the potential and still unknown molecular functions of the FAM protein inside cells and in model organisms.
Jiman, you're next.
Hi everyone, my name is Jiman Shin. I'm a zebrafish geneticist. So basically, all my career is built up with the basic science, and now we are switching gear to the real human application, and it's really fantastic experience, and really feel helping community. So this is a really good experience for me, and I really appreciate to participate this meeting. Thank you.
Jocelyn, and your young trainee.
Hey everyone, I'm Jocelyn. This is Lindy, and I'm an early stage drug developer at a company here in Seattle called Tune Therapeutics, and I kind of keep track of some of the new drug modalities out there. So epigenetic editing, base editing, prime editing, and I've worked with Ethan at Prolara for some other families, and I'm excited to participate today.
Next up, Nikki.
Hi, my name is Nikki Legros. I'm currently in Washington, D.C., but when I had started working on this project with Jen and UDN, I was at Penn State College of Medicine. I'm a second-year OBGYN resident now. Today, or for me, my work matters, I guess, because Jen and I have worked for a very long time on, I guess, collecting these families, learning about their clinical history and summarizing that so we can share that with the literature. And then broadly, I want to be a MFM geneticist so that I can have better diagnosis of these rare diseases in utero, and families can have more reproductive options and choices, and then also greater knowledge and insight before the child is born.
And Matthew Simon.
Hello, my name is Matthew Simon. I'm a study director at the Jackson Laboratories Rare Disease Translational Unit. And my work matters to your family because we develop mouse model systems in which we can test genetic interventions as well as characterize and generate resources for other researchers to explore the mechanisms of rare diseases such as FAM.
Thank you. So I think that's everybody. So thanks for those introductions, and thanks again for being here.